create this flicker effect inside DaVinci Resolve. I already prepared my clips and I will show you how to achieve this effect with a magic mask if you're using the studio version and work around in the free version. Count 10 frames from the end of the clip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Place the second clip above the first one and cut it there. Place the rest of the second clip in the first timeline. I will just use this small part here. Go to the Fusion page. Shift plus space and add a magic mask node. Isolate this beautiful tiger and track the movement forward and backwards. You can trim the selection if you want, but anyway we'll make it glow like a light bulb. Now add color correction node and connect magic mask to the blue triangle so the effect applies only to the mask. Increase the brightness and add soft glow node. Go to the edit page and let's start cutting this part. Make 3 cuts by 2 frames from the end, and for the rest make 1 frame cut. From the 2 frame cut, delete the middle one, and from the 1 frame cut, delete the second and fourth ones. You can make every cut just 1 frame long if you want fast flashing effect. I prefer making first 2 cuts 1 frame each and the rest 2 frames long. That way the flicker gradually slows down, making the transition to the next clip much smoother. That's great. And before I show you the free version, if you want to learn something new and mesmerizing, check out my black hole effect tutorial. Thank you. So now I will show you the workaround in the free version. Revert the clip in the second timeline before cuts. Since this transition will happen really fast and if we don't have so much motion, go 1 frame before end and freeze frame. This will make still image and make it 10 frames long. Go to Fusion and reset the default state. Use a polygon node to mask your object. Make the selection around the object, and you don't have to be perfect at all. I will speed up the section because, to be honest, it's really boring to watch. Shift plus space and add color correction node. Increase brightness and connect the media in node to the blue triangle of the color correction node. Add soft glow node. Make your cuts the same as before. And now we achieve the flicker effect that is commonly used in social media edits.